Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
I feel like Scooby-Doo, like a dog. Eat the best like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop it, man, cause I'll take you far. She drop it too.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a collab video. I recently got some more collabs, some more packages in the mail from Amazon, and I'm super excited. And y'all, do y'all like my hair? Like, don't look at my baby hairs, but like the hair is given by my sis. I just have it in a ponytail, and this is, I think, what are these? Knotless braids. They real thin. We got the hair from, what was it, Amazon, and it came in like a lot of packs for like $15 or 30 something dollars. I don't know, but it'll be in the description box below, okay, in my Amazon storefront. So let's get it, okay? But so yeah, I'm super excited to be showing y'all what I got in the mail. And I'm showing y'all two things. I want y'all to see my nails, but like they messed up. But like this is like that's how my fingers look. I'm gonna show y'all this thumb, because this thumb not messed up. Not messed up. And I actually did these myself. These are press-ons by me, period. But no, okay, so I ain't gonna hold y'all. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. You know the deal. Let's go ahead and get straight into it, okay? Alright, so we got two packages here. I'm gonna open up this one. This is a phone case, so I'm gonna open this one up first. And it goes to my, what is it, my XR. I don't have no new phone. I still got my XR, so we go to that. But this is the brand OTO Fly. That's what I want to say it is. And it is a liquid silicone case. Yeah. And it just has instructions on the back. And it has all they, what is it, all they social media stuff on the back as well, and it is in my Amazon storefront. So let's go ahead and open it, okay? Go ahead and open it with this finger, because this ain't got no diamonds on it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's kind of hard to open. Okay. All right. Okay. So in the package, they have little paper. Oh, they got stickers. OTO Fly stickers. Oh well. That's so cute. So they have stickers. It come with these stickers. Okay, that's cute. And having trouble with your phone case, so I guess in a Q&A piece of paper like that. Information on the back. Okay, and then this is just thank you cards from them, and they have their QR code on the back. On the back, you see that. Okay, I'm always in the camera, but this is a big reveal. Okay, it's a little plain color. Is it dusty? No, that's just how it looks. Oh, it's like a little soft material on the inside. So on the inside, it just has the name OTO Fly. I thought that's really cute. And then this is like plain Jane. It's real plain Jane. It's not like my other phone case, but it is cute. Oh wow. And I got this color because it's different. I ain't got no fall looking colors, so yeah. But this is for an iPhone XR. They have other ones for the iPhone, for like your other iPhones, for iPhone 11, iPhone 14, iPhone 12. They got all that. So, and this was affordable. I think it was like $11. Yeah, $11. $11 and some change, something like that. It is soft too. Like, it's soft on the outside. It's also like this material on the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's really like soft. That's real soft. I really like that. Like, It feel like a soft carpet or a soft rug, and then it has their logo right here. That's really cute. But the outside is silicone. It bends obviously, but it's not like a flimsy bends. It got like a little structure to it. So yeah, I like that. I like that. I feel like if my nephews had it, they can bend it, but it won't mess up. Oh, I like that. You got kids, this one for you. We on a budget, yeah. So yeah, it bends. I like that. I like that it bends. So if you got kids and they want to bend your stuff, so just the top can bend, the bottom really can't bend like that, which is good. So it got some good structure for an affordable price. Yeah, you on a budget. Yeah, so y'all better go get y'all one. Amazon storefronts. Period. Okay, so we're on to the next one. This is the last one. And I know what this is because I was looking on it the other day, looking on my Amazon thing. So let's go ahead and open it. And I know this is the Go-Go. Yes, honey. This is the Go-Go prebiotic fiber gummies. I'm super excited to be trying this out. I'm excited. So this is just what it looked like here. Okay, this is what it looked like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. This is what it look like. I feel like it's pretty big. This is how big my hand is. My hands are actually small. The nails just make them look real big, but my hands are really small. But yeah, that's how big it is. Yeah. Okay, so we gonna turn it. Okay, so you gotta open it. It got a little seal on it, but never mind. I'm gonna open it up with this. That's the problem with nails, especially long ones. You have trouble. Oh, they're cute. They are cute. Ooh, they smell good. They smell good. They smell like oranges. Yeah, they smell. They smell like what's that juice that Sunny D we used to drink back in the day? It smell like that. The Sunny D. Oh no, it smell like what that orange Kool-Aid. Everybody used to stay drinking the red Kool-Aid, I swear, but this smells exactly like that orange Kool-Aid we used to have. Man, it bring back memories. Lord have mercy. Child, the ghetto. That is funny. Okay, but anyway, I'll be all day. But they'll be but they like little small circles. Little small circles. And it's 60 that come in here. Little small. I got 2 in my hand, but yeah. So it's 60 that come in here. It's the #1 support for going. #2. Ooh, okay. Adding flavor to women's wellness. Okay. It gives your back end some support with Go-Go premium fiber gummies. What is this? Shakori? Ooh, I don't know if I'm saying this right. With Shakori root derived. Girl, I can't read. Wait, what? Okay, the prebiotic promotes good gut bacteria. That's really good. Okay. A daily dose of Go-Go can help you do some good. Wait, it's called Go-Go. So you can go #2. That is so funny how they did that name. That is hilarious. I would have thought of that. Go-Go. Okay, it's 60 gummies in here and they're vegan. It's a 60 vegan gummies dietary supplement. Hold on, let's look at the ingredients because you can't just tell me it's vegan and we ain't gonna go to the source. Okay, so it's a suggested use. Adults take 2 gummies up to twice daily or as directed by a healthcare professional. We already know we don't go to doctors, so we taking it what it say. Or shoot, just chew on them all day, you feel me? But Let's say they do recommend, you know, go to a physician though. But it say for ingredients, they got calories 15, I guess grams, and then total carbohydrate. Girl, I can't read. 5 grams. Dietary fiber 3 grams. Total sugars 2 grams. 2 grams is a lot. Shakori, I don't even know if I'm shakori root fiber. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Then we got organic cane sugar. I guess you want to call that vegan. That ain't like the real stuff though. That's bad for you. Wouldn't that be bad for you? Contains less than 2% of a nano. Oh no, I can't do this. I can't do this. It's a for a color. For the color. Citrus acid, coconut oil, cornstarch, natural flavors, pectin, sodium citrate. I can't do the names, but oh yeah, it gonna make me doodle. It gonna make me doodle. It say take 2. Okay. I'm eating on the wrong side. Bad side. Hold on. We got organic cane sugar. Hey. Hold on. That ain't like we're getting stuck. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, I don't got no good teeth. I mean, I do, but they sensitive. Okay. My honest opinion about taking 2 of them right now, and it's early in the morning. It's 11 something. Well, late to some people, but yeah. This concoction here, okay, this here, this is what it looks like. Okay, it tastes like orange. It do. Not oranges, but it tastes orangey. It got a flavor, orange flavor. It is easy to chew. It's just my teeth are sensitive, so if your teeth is sensitive, just chew slowly and, like, you know, with your good side. Cause this ain't my good side. It's my good side over here. It's easy to chew. It's not hard. They not hard at all. They real soft. The aftertaste, I don't know. I still got that orange taste to it. So I guess it's that aftertaste. That's the aftertaste. That is the fact that it's orange or orangey taste to it. Cause some stuff it'd be nasty, like you don't be want to eat it because the aftertaste is disgusting. I want to say the aftertaste ain't even bad. It's just I just taste orangey taste. So yeah, that's all I taste. I don't really taste nothing else. I mean, it tastes dietary. I taste the fiber. I think I taste the fiber. But yeah, so this is gonna be in my Amazon storefront. I'ma definitely be, I don't know, but this is a prebiotic fiber. So I'm super excited to be trying it because we finna go to the store. Nah, I'm just playing. We finna go to the bathroom. That's what it's saying. That it's gonna do. So we'll see. We'll see. Okay, we will see. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal. You know the deal. You know the deal. Okay, so everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so definitely check everything out that I had in this video, which was only 2 items, but I have so much more things on my Amazon storefront in the tech category and in the health category on my Amazon storefront. So definitely check it out. Y'all don't want to miss nothing. Y'all don't want to miss nothing. Okay. So let's go ahead and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all.